Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. If you want to increase the size of your text on Snapchat, let me walk you through the steps. First, head over to the App Store and make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Just search for Snapchat and tap Update if there's a new version available. Once your app is updated, go ahead and open Snapchat. Next, tap on your Chat tab, then click on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select Snapchat Plus. I'm not sure if this feature is available for regular Snapchat users yet, but it is currently available for Snapchat Plus subscribers. It's possible that Snapchat might roll it out to everyone soon. Now go to any chat. Once you type a message, you'll see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the text size easily. As you can see, it's super simple to use. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.